As of now, sir, the knowledge, the community, and everything is awesome. 30-day program is to the point, and it was very easy. Anyone can launch their business in 30 days. Instead of depending on third-party platform, you can work with high-ticket clients and all. My initial goal is to consistent getting $1,000 at least.
Hi everyone, meet Ameen. He's from Telangana. He's a digital nomad. He successfully launched his freedom business in just 30 days. And he started working with client in 38 to 40 days. So he's a successful digital nomad. Congratulations, Ameen. You have done a great job.
Thank you, sir.
Awesome. So who's this first client? And tell me more about this client. Now, with how many clients you're working?
Sir, right now I'm working with 2 clients. So from today, I'm starting to work for second client.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So as of now, I'm working with 2 clients right now.
Nice.
So they are in educational technology. Yes, sir. So they are in educational technology. They are in coaching business.
Okay, nice. And this first client, what is they are into, and what are you working? What all services are you providing?
They are into coaching, sir. Makeup courses.
Okay.
They will teaching makeup courses in 18 days. So I have partnered up with our community member, and in 18 days they'll teach from basic to advanced makeup courses.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you are running ads?
Yes, sir. I'm running ads.
Writing
and
copy?
sales funnel. Yes, sir. Copywriting and sales funnel.
Creative designs, posters and everything?
Few creatives we did, and lot of creatives and videos, everything client had on her YouTube channel.
Okay. Great. Yes, nice. So how was your overall experience learning and being in this community?
It was good, sir. Awesome. It was like to the next level, upskilling my current skill. So I didn't have any knowledge and skills about in digital marketing. So I have learned everything, and I was able to apply it in my business and also for clients.
Nice.
I'm getting amazing results for clients.
How do you feel when your clients are getting result? How do you personally feel?
They feel good, sir. They feel good.
They will feel good. How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel good helping others, businesses to scale.
Now, if you're an entrepreneur, a digital nomad, a freelanpreneur, before, what were you doing?
I was.
Yeah. I remember that you were delivering food.
Yes, sir. I was in food delivery. Exactly.
You're doing Zomato or Swiggy?
I was doing initially. I did Uber Eats, work with Uber Eats. Then later Uber Eats. Yes, sir. Was not in business again. Zomato, and also with Amazon delivery. So I didn't like 9 to 5. So I was completely against 9 to 5. So I don't want to work. But yes, sir. I was just like struggled, and I was interested in e-commerce. So I tried Amazon, selling on Amazon. I got like 3 sales initially, 1-2 months. Like I figured out everything, like making GST and everything I did. And again, seller account I created. I got 3 orders in 1-2 months. But later I don't know like how to do. Like I was just listing every branded item on Prestige, Nilkamal, Wonder Chef. So I got ban from Amazon. They banned me. They were asking brand authority certificate.
Okay.
So that's how I ended up. And again, I tried different e-commerce selling on my own website, other things, stuff. Yes.
Nice. So you're doing first job, that initially delivery job that you were doing.
Yes.
In what year? In how many? 1 year back or 2 years back?
No, sir. It was in 2017. Okay. 2017, 18.
So you had no knowledge about digital marketing back then?
No, sir. I was interested, but on selling, doing Shopify and all e-commerce. I was interested in e-commerce, but I don't know like how to do and all. So yes, sir. I don't know like
Now,
anything.
nice. You had no knowledge. Now, Facebook ads, copywriting, funnel building, sales automation, sales and closing. How is your
Yes,
confidence? How do you feel now?
I'm confident, sir. I'm very much confident. As you like always tell in course also, like right skill set, right strategy, and right mindset, we can deliver results. So 80% of the work is in implementation, and 20% is a learning.
Yeah, 80% is implementation. People just think 80% is learning and 20% is implementation, because that's been taught by us from our college. There is no implementing, there is only learning.
Initially, I was also only learning all these things.
Ah,
I didn't apply it. So I was like low confident on whether I can deliver results or not, whether I can work and apply it in other business.
So, so what do you have to say about the community? Like being in this community and the family, what is the best part?
The best part is we have good support from the community, and everyone goal is the same, to work and go high ticket. So initially while starting out, many of us like we all like feel get problems and all. So we need to just push through, then we can like find out a way. So as of now, sir, the knowledge, the community, and everything is awesome. I would say it was like world-class education to the point, and the 30-day program is to the point, and it was very easy. Anyone can launch their business in 30 days if they are like nomad. If they
Correct.
don't know anything, they can just follow those steps and like implement side by side, and they can get success.
Correct. And what you had to say about your mentor?
I got connected from past 3 years.
Yeah.
So the first thing I got connected with you was your message. Same thing, sir. As you message, the way you talk and all. So the sales pitch or a message you told on a video. So initially I got connected. So I was like looking for different. I used to get different ads and all, and I was, yeah, I know like different courses here in India and abroad also. But you got connected. So the way you told, instead of depending on third party platform, you can work with high ticket clients and all. So I got connected, and when I joined, when I know like you're like the skills you are teaching, high ticket closing, copywriting, and all. So yes, sir, I was like, this is the program I was. I should go.
So previous
Get.
to this, like, have you taken or studied from anyone else, other courses?
Yes, sir. Yes, I was interested in e-commerce, so I got enrolled in e-commerce courses.
Got it. And did you learn a lot from YouTube? You've learned from many. Have you learned from many people, or you should be like you have learned from?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. On YouTube also, I used to follow and know everything about ads and all.
Okay, nice. And what is that? What was that difference in my teaching and versus other people's teaching and courses? What you felt was different?
See, sir, investing in mentor and getting into a mentor and getting in touch with a mentor is another level. It's another side. If you are going or searching, you can get knowledge, but you don't get any support or any confidence, like how to apply implementations and all. So you need to figure out your way. So if you like invest, if you get in any course, invest in mentor in any niche, in any coaching, so anyone can achieve results fast. So the time gap, they can fast track their results and achieve those goals and reach their target.
Got it. Perfect. Yeah. So what's your goal now? You have now you have started your freedom business. How do you want to grow your business?
My initial goal is to consistent getting $1,000 at least.
Okay.
80,000 or yes, sir, to hit.
How many classes
80,000.
do you want to hit 80,000? If you go all in with, you have good knowledge, you have the confidence. If you just go, give your best in how, how many clients do you need? 1 client, 2, 3? How many clients?
Yes, sir. My personal client, I would say 2-3 clients. 3 clients, sir. I can hit.
Correct.
They are from India. 3 clients. If they are from other markets,
Yeah,
just 1 client.
nice. See, it's achievable. Okay, you
Yes,
just
sir.
have to have the skill. You have the skills for lifetime. You have a goal, and you just have to go and hit that goal. That's it. Okay,
Yes,
if
of
you
course.
decide that you want to do that, no one can stop you.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the best? You have learned many skills. What is like really wow, which is very powerful? Or name the skills that you have learned from me so far. Yeah, anything.
I have learned, but I didn't master, but I have learned high ticket
Yeah.
closing,
Hmm.
copywriting, sales funnel, Facebook ad, website, WordPress website development, and blogging.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Website development is like to the point, sir. Like you explained in clear. You break it down like large chunks into like little bit. Every website is divided in columns and rows and all. So it was like very like fast. I can understand everything about like the skeleton, the anatomy of the website, and I can do it. So how a world-class website looks.
Correct.
Yes, sir. So you explained very crisp and to the point like, what needs to be done.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So website is, why I was able to give that. Everybody likes website. They think to do a website, I need to be a computer engineer. I need to know coding and all that. Okay. But people
sir.
come to me, they learn website in 3-4 days. For me,
Yes, sir, of
I
course.
did not have a mentor. It took me 9 months to learn website by myself. I had taken a course once long back from one of the coach, but then I did not learn much. Then I was in a job, I did not learn there also. Then didn't work out. Like the way I have teaching the website is like anyone can copy paste it and build any world-class website. It's so clean and neat. So
Yes.
I've seen your funnels also. This is a very, very good. Great job on the funnel as well. So
Yes, sir.
did you make a best decision by joining our community?
Yes, sir.
Why?
I was like very much interested to get in this community. So like I went all in. Like it took me like a lot of years, but I finally got enrolled. Enrolled in back 3 years, but I was not concentrating. I was doing other things as well. So right now I don't have like any work or job to do. My focus is to just do this as a 9 to 5 from home.
Awesome. Perfect. So I wish you a lot of success, and I want you to really go hit your goal, win, and start achieving big goals.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right. So see you in the weekly calls and see you in the community.